Gold has been valued for thousands of years, but have you ever wondered how raw gold ore is transformed into pure shining gold? In this video, we take you inside a modern gold refineries to explore the complete journey from ore extraction to high purity gold bars. The journey begins deep underground and in open pit mines. Here, gold bearing ore is extracted using heavy machinery and transported for further processing. At the processing plant, the raw ore is crushed and ground into fine particles. This step helps release gold trapped inside the rock. Next, the crushed ore is concentrated. Physical and chemical separation method increase the gold content before refinery begins. In the chemical refinery section, impurities are removed using carefully controlled chemical reaction. This process separates gold from other metal with high precision. To achieve extremely high purity, electrorefining is used. Electric current helps separate gold at the molecular level, producing nearly pure gold. The refined gold is then melted inside high temperature industrial furnace, turning it into a glowing molten form. The molten gold is carefully poured into mold to create standard bullion bars used worldwide. Each gold bar is tested for purity, weight, and quality using precise assaying technique. Finally, the finished gold bars are securely stored in high security vaults ready for distribution. Thanks for watching.